RPP.
यहाँ पर है फिर भी हैंडल कर रहा है।
Date is very, very special to a lot of us here. She's very special to me also. She's a very, very dear friend of mine. ये एक शहर की मालकिन है एक्चुअली, ओके, और वो कौन सा शहर है वो मैं आपको नहीं बताऊंगा, पर उसके बावजूद जब आप इससे मिलो तो ये इतने प्यार से मिलती है और इतने अच्छे से सबका ख्याल रखती है कि you can't help but fall in love with her. She's also an actress, but before that, she is just one of the loveliest girls you will ever meet in your lives.
Alec, I must say you're being a thorough gentleman today.
I am, right?
It's good to see this side of yours.
She's clearly seen on the other sides, apparently. Anyway, Bobby.
पर आलिक है ऐसा, या आलिक मेरा बहुत ही जिगरी दोस्त है और I don't own any city, ये झूठ है. But anyways, I just want to wish everyone a happy Women's Day and thank you for this honor. It is all thanks to Pankit, who has been a wonderful co-actor and a very, very dear friend. And as Supriya ji said, it is not only women, it is also, there are men also who balance out this society. लेकिन एक चीज जो मैं हमेशा फेस करती हूँ और मैं कहना चाहूँगी is also the way you raise your kids. Like मैं जो हूँ अपने personal life में I'm a very strong, outspoken girl. और मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते रहते तुम बहुत ही लड़कों जैसी हो, you're a boy, तुम tomboy जैसी हो. But I don't think a woman who is strong and who's outspoken is necessarily a boy. Like, please, in fact, raise your daughters to be strong. In fact, raise your daughters to fight against all the problems. Because your parents are there, they are there to shelter you, but उसके बाद दुनिया आपको भी face करनी है day-to-day basis पे. तो please, raise your kids equally. और अगर लड़के रोते हैं इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि वो लड़कियां हैं या लड़की अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग है वो लड़का होता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. So I really believe in women empowerment and I believe in raising the kids equally also. So when I will have my kids, I will also raise them like that. Happy Women's Day to everyone.
Invite Trupti Bora and also Mr. Shiraz Yunus to join us please on stage, who is the president of the International Human Rights Protection Bureau from Sri Lanka. Sir, could you please join us?
Especially here for this event, Mr. Shiraz. He's our Sri Lanka president. This NGO is international NGO. We work in Thailand also, in Sri Lanka also. We are going to start in Bangkok also very soon.
Thank you, sir, for joining us.
Thank you so much for coming here. And this is a gift for Almora. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much for coming. Enjoy, guys.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a privilege, honor, and a respect on this Women's Day to be present here on the stage of our International Human Rights Protection Bureau Sri Lanka branch and being here.
Andy, you have to say something.
Happy Women's Day. I am proud being a woman. I am proud of my daughter Drashti Dhami. God's beautiful creation. Without woman, nothing is happened, nothing can be possible. Thank you, Mr. Pankit. Thank you.
I'd like to request Ms. Sonal Joshi. I'd like like to request Mr. Mohak Gupta, Gujarat State President, to please join us once again, sir. The NGO. Thank you, sir, for joining us once again.
A big round of applause for Dusty's mom. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
We would wish Happy Women's Day to all lovely women out here. And thank you, Trupti Vora and Pankit, for inviting us for this lovely event. And मैं जानती हूँ कि एक औरत होके इस दुनिया में जिस तरह से ये लोग जी रहे हैं, hats off to you guys, क्योंकि आज का दौर काफी आगे बढ़ चुका है जहाँ पे लोग एक दूसरे को समझते हैं और हेल्प करते हैं. Like men also, very well said by Vivek ji, कि they do help, but कई चीजें होती हैं जहाँ पे वुमन को खुद ही अपना स्टैंड, अपना डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है और जीना पड़ता है. तो let me tell you guys, you are very courageous. हम लोग छोटी छोटी मुसीबतें देखते हैं तो थक के डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं, लेकिन आप इतने जिंदगी के जो संघर्ष से गुजर रहे हैं, hats off to you.
Thank you, ladies. I'd like to request Captain Ranjit Singh, President of IHRPB Patiala, to please join us on stage. And also I'd like to request Mr. Feroz Memon once again, the Maharashtra Coordinator for IHRPB, to please join us.
We must have a small song, just something.
I'm good at singing, I'm sure.
We have to sing something.
So are you guys ready for 2 lines? But
What?
no.
Tougher on stage as well, please. Because the husband is taking the award, mother is taking the award. Can we have both husband and wife up on stage together? Please, sir. Come on.
Happy Women's Day, everybody. And I'd like to tell you that my husband has been completely with me, supporting me in this endeavor. And for sure, I think all the men should know that we are completely incomplete without them. And when they support us, we can be a power to contend. Thank you.
Thank you, Pankit, and thank you organizers for everything. Despite all this, let's just not take away the focus away from the real honorees of this event, which are these ladies over here, who have really been through a lot and yet are trying to be as if life is normal for them, which is a very good thing, and I think we should encourage and condone such kind of events, and let's hope that we can create a great future for them and for everybody else. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Amir sir.
और आप सभी के लिए मेरे पास कुछ अल्फाज हैं कि हर रोज गिरकर भी मुकम्मल खड़े हैं। ऐ जिंदगी देख मेरे हौसले तुझसे भी बड़े हैं। A big salute to all these ladies for being strong and brave.
यहाँ तू है, सब वहाँ है, जहाँ तू है। कदमों में तेरे जन्नतें बिछी है, जलवों में तेरे शोहरतें छुपी है।
बर्थडे।
Thank you so much.